morning. I just woke up and I'm gonna brush my teeth. Breakfast for me, I have bread, butter, puri, sabzi, and this is chicken lollipop, and I have my own coffee. I made it for myself. So yeah. Hello, my checkout time is 12 in the afternoon, and now it's 11. So for some time I wanted to chill and stay in the pool, so I decided to come down, and here it is. I'm going inside. I wanted to take this. It's 6 feet down. I can't swim, but still I wanna just sit here and chill. So I decided to come this side because it's only 4 feet, but the other side is 6 feet, and I'm scared of water. Checking out. So yeah, thanks to this room. Outfit of the day. Bye to this lovely pool, swimming pool, and yeah. This was a scooty that we rented yesterday, and yeah, we'll go somewhere else and we'll give it back this scooty. So, after checking out of the hotel around noon, I still had a few hours to kill before my bus at 3:30, so I thought why not roam around a bit and make the most of my time. So I went for street shopping. So after that, I decided to go to Calangute Beach. I mean, how could I leave Calangute without actually visiting Calangute Beach, right? Yeah, so this is the parking area. I parked my bike here and headed towards the beach. Hi. And here is the Calangute Beach. Way to Calangute Beach. Fish treatment. So here's the life jacket, and yeah, I'm going I'm going for a boat ride. That's me. I'm excited, but at the same time, I'm so scared because I don't know how to swim and I'm scared of water. At the beach, I spotted some boat rides. Now I'm someone who's honestly pretty scared of water. But hey, why not try a little adventure? And so I went for it, and it was just 500 rupees per person. They're clicking pictures. I'm all set. I'm excited. Bought some cashew and some peanuts for my daddy. Cashew and some chocolates. It was 3 p.m. already and I knew I had to leave soon. My bus was scheduled to depart at 3:30, so yeah, I rushed to bus station. So right now I'm gonna catch a bus. It's opposite to this pure vegetarian family restaurant. There is a bus. So we have different timing and I'm going for 3:30 p.m. the bus. So my flight is at 7 p.m. So from here I'm going by 3:30 ka bus mein. So it will take 1.5 hours. By 5:30 I'll reach the Napoleon airport, and so my bag is here and I got a seat. So it will take 1.5 hour to reach Napoleon airport, and yeah, I have flight at 7 p.m. So it's 27 kilometer away from airport. Is 27 kilometer away from here, and you can get the Uber also, but it's expensive. And this is the most cheapest way and a convenient way because it stops just next to the airport, just near the door, entry door. So this is much convenient for me, and I'll pay only 200 rupees, so that's more convenient. So yeah. is full of AC, so you don't need to worry. It's chill inside and it's very convenient. I'm sitting here for a more leg space. Yeah. So I was sitting inside the bus and I saw a market, Tibetan market. So I just want to check it out. I wanted one Tibetan bag. But yeah, let's see. I wanted to buy a bag, but they have only these things, jewelries, necklace and whatnot, but they don't have bag. They have shop, but I'm searching for bag. Airport as we enter from that here door, and this is how it looked like, and we can see some Nagas art here, this lady and this one. And now I'm gonna check in here. I'm gonna go inside here and check in and go back to Chennai. So hungry, so I'm having this chicken lollipop, and this noodles I'll have in a flight. Say thank you.